Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Distinguished guests, respected teachers, dear parents, and beloved students, a very warm welcome to you all. Welcome to English Holiday Fiesta Exhibition, a momentous event where dreams are spoken, talents are showcased, and confidence is celebrated through the vibrant language of English. Today, this hall transforms into a garden of voice, where each word is a blooming flower, each sentence a symphony of dreams, and every performance a testament to growth, effort, and courage. Let us begin this special celebration by reciting Basmalah together. Before we immerse ourselves today, celebration of language and talent, let us first purify our hearts and minds with the most beautiful words ever revealed, the Holy Quran. We invite Alifa Tasha and Monica Alexandra to the stage to grace us with the recitation of the Holy Quran.